What up, it's your boy T-Bird here in the reaction. I lost my hoodie. Got my other hoodie on. Anyway, time to get into the Stage Wrestling Wednesday, and time to get into the wrestling match of the week, or day, you could say, whatever. So, decided to show some love for the ladies of wrestling, and I already did it before with this one, but this one's a one-on-one with the ladies, no male live. Sorry, this is one of my favorites. Willow Nightingale, so beautiful, versus Penelope, who also pretty hot and pretty good. So, without further ado, this is a free match from let me see this from Beyond Wrestling. This is basically Women Wrestling Revolution. So, without further ado, let's check out this match right here.
Introducing first, in the corner to my left, from Long Island, New York. She's got big hair and an even bigger smile. The babe with the power, Willow Nightingale.
Shout out to Willow. She's part of our wrestling group on Facebook. Oh, yeah, she had to warn somebody. Don't touch. I like it. Shout out to Penelope, who's in AEW. This must be when she was still dating Georgianella, because she calls her the bad girl, but she tried. Now she super bad with Kim Sabian.
Beyond Wrestling, somebody's farewell, probably here in East Greenwich, Rhode Island. Paul Crockett.
This is probably like
Powerbomb.
This one both was face.
Champion Hot Sauce Tracy Williams. After an absolute barn burner with Tom Lawler, you are here pulling double duty. You're an animal, Hot Sauce.
That's right. Well, this is what I like to see. It's some great Beyond Wrestling action. I'm here to see more of it. We might have been a quick one right there. As Willow Nightingale looking to put away the bad girl quickly. And the
a lot of technical work going on right here.
Some fantastic work on the mat. Some pinning combinations cover. No.
I guess she was. I thought about she was with Georgianella during
couldn't get the but she's still in control.
Casino Royale. I realized that.
Gonna send her in.
Sunset flip.
Oh, she got
it. No reverse.
A lot of reversals move going. I see why this
almost.
This might be a quick one.
They're going back and forth here.
Okay.
Oh, she lost it. She lost it.
A lot of technical work going on here. I like it.
I mean, the 2 counts per minute right now is off the charts, to be honest.
Yeah, they are.
And Willow looking to just take control here with the body scissors.
Oh, wow. Look at that dragon sleeper.
That nice little dragon sleeper right there. That is nice.
Around the body. That
is nice.
Could have been very dangerous.
Yeah, these two did not come to play around. They're looking to end
that was a nice little
with a W.
Nice little pin right there.
They don't want it to be their farewell tonight.
No.
Nice, they're rolling around.
Outstanding work on the mat, round and round.
Whoa,
like it. No one knows.
And really here, both wrestlers trying to take control. It's who's going to be able to stop the momentum at this point as the ropes get in the way there, and neither wrestler able to come out with shoulders on the mat.
Right. They're both just exhausted after
that one. Yeah, she both dizzy.
Talk about what it's like to work in a building this hot.
Oh yeah, it's killer. It's like a whole new stipulation.
Oh, she's so dizzy she didn't get to her. Damn.
Like 105 degrees match.
Penelope Ford is just dizzy. She didn't even get out of the way on purpose of that last.
Ooh, she didn't do that while she's dizzy.
Out with a cartwheel, follows it up with that textbook clothesline.
Ah, nice.
Right, Willow with the distinct power advantage.
Ooh, she wants to hit that rope pretty bad.
Penelope Ford attempting to use some power of her own with a
I'm a little hesitant about them ropes, especially what happened to Manny Jr.
She didn't get out of the way of that body slam.
Simple but effective. Using her full weight across the body of Ford.
Cover her up, Willow. That could have been it, maybe, with a quick recover.
2 count only, and Willow Nightingale has become very, very popular in Beyond and Women's Wrestling Revolution due to her bubbly personality.
Yeah,
and she's on Wild Wrestling.
Personality, very enthusiastic. And it translates into her wrestling style, where she's always looking for that next move, always trying to keep that power.
Oh, okay, three
and
mingles.
find the best in a bad situation.
Nice.
But right now, she's in a good situation.
Oh, never mind.
Was looking to power Penelope over.
Oh, nice hit.
Spinning back. High knee follow up.
Oh, high kick on the money.
Shades of Mirko Krokop right there with the high kick. And here it is, straight out of the Penelope textbook, if you will.
From
Bulldog? Oh, I thought she wanted to go to a bulldog.
Yes.
Little China there.
Cover. Showing her versatility. Very few in wrestling with that kind of versatility. Of course, Penelope Ford coming off backing her man, Joey Janela, at All In a couple of weeks ago, but continuing to craft a name for herself.
Yeah, she's looking to use that exposure and prove to everybody that she deserved it, and she earned every bit of that spot, which she did. Right now, she's going to have to earn this match, though, and get out of this submission. A grounded octopus.
Yeah, Willow Nightingale looking to take that momentum of Penelope Ford and make it her own here with an absolutely fantastic octopus on the ground and using her legs. Little kicks, not going to be super effective, but it's going to be a little bit effective.
Yeah, it's cranking the neck even more.
Ducks the clothesline, spinning neck breaker.
Yeah, nice targeted offense there, going from the octopus, to the neck breaker.
Went to the well one too many times on that senton. Wow!
Nice.
Outstanding, standing moonsault.
You don't see that out of Penelope every match.
No.
She's pulling out new tricks here.
Of course, these two regulars with Women's Wrestling Revolution as they head into Long Island in October for a huge show. So these women both want a big spot on that show. Tried the Willow with a big, I guess, hip check we call it.
Yeah, big hip check in the corner. Followed it up with the clothesline. Lariat.
Back elbow.
Oh, another high kick right on the money.
What's she gonna go for now?
Uranagi style.
Standing Uranagi, fantastic. Cover.
Oh, that was close. That was close. I'm gonna say it's getting close to there. I'm gonna say who?
Unreal, and it seems like the pace has slowed down a little bit here, Hot Sauce.
Yeah, and I would say that that's where Willow would want it to be, so she can inflict some of these power maneuvers. But she's a very dynamic athlete as well. She's known to fly around that ring as well. But Penelope very wily, getting out of that, maybe the Death Valley bomb with some elbows.
Both attempt the high kick. Both try the double super kick.
Neither connecting.
And we have a stalemate here.
We're back to the ground floor here.
And now
they're slugging it out.
There's one way to follow it up.
Penelope looking for some momentum, but no, that's a mistake.
Fireman's carry, Death Valley driver.
Shouldn't have moved all, yes.
Got Penelope in perfect position. Scaling to the second.
Oh, moonsault.
Whoa!
Willow Nightingale with a huge upset victory.
Nice. Willow. Oh, nice. It's just Penelope still face for him before she went heel on AEW. Nice little match right there. Very technical. A lot of pinning combination and stuff like that going on though, dude. I mean, short but sweet though. I like it. Sometimes the match don't have to be super long to be really good and all that. Some matches like these are pretty nice to have. But anyway, that was the wrestling match of the day. feel like doing a short day because I've got a lot of busy day going. So I got more coming up. One stuff I have lined up, I still have the Jordan Devlin versus Devin Starr. I'm thinking about that one. Probably got to do it a different day. Some more Orange Cassidy. I got like 2 of them. Another one with Josh Brigg and NJF, and one with Chris Statlander and Kimberly as well too. All right. As y'all told y'all before, I'm refraining from doing the WWE ones because WWE is very strict and I don't want it to like Chris Sickle. But anyway, if you like my reaction, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's your boy T-Bird signing off.